Today we're taking a look at my engine bay where I am starting the install of this rotary extreme rotary V-mount radiator intercooler kit. So of course, like many things that you pay less for, you get no instructions. So the first thing you have is this aluminum crossbar that mounts into these two pedestals that are on the car. And then coming off that, you have these two semi-L brackets. And then these other L brackets that are going to support the front end, or should be the back end of the intercooler. So once you get these bolted in, you're going to need extra nuts and bolts to put this together because they don't include all the hardware you're going to need. So if you go down underneath, these are the brackets for mounting the front of the radiator. So these two bolts that attach it to the frame underneath are different than the two bolts that are on the other side, of course. I think the two on this side are like an M6 by 1, and then these, I can't remember exactly what they are. And the orientation underneath, you can't see it from up here, but you have to mount your cooling fans on the bottom side of this radiator, so they'll pull air coming in here through the radiator and then out the bottom of the car. That also needed modification. I can't show you that because it's mounted right now, but the brackets are not welded on here at the proper spacing, so I had to modify quite a bit to get the fans mounted up. So the next step is to put the intercooler in place. So that bolts up with an aluminum bracket that attaches here, and then that aluminum bracket attaches to the front crash bar with these 4 bolts. That'll support this, and then these 2 brackets in the back hold up the rear of the intercooler. And that's it for today, so keep an eye out, we'll be doing more.